Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hover box in Wix Easy Method. Click Add, place a box, then duplicate it for hover content and stack layers carefully to align elements. Configure hover state in the inspector, adjust opacity and animation, and test with preview mode. Save changes and publish to confirm the hover effect works across desktop and mobile breakpoints. Start by adding a box element and placing it where users will hover. Keep spacing consistent with grid guides. Duplicate the box to create the hover version, then swap visible elements between the base and hover boxes. Group text and images so they move together, and name layers clearly to avoid confusion. This organization speeds editing and reduces layout mistakes during styling and animation setup. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music and voice control while you design. It's great for testing audio cues or setting timers when prototyping interactions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Open the Design and Interactions panels to style both normal and hover states, choosing colors, borders, and shadows that match your brand. Add a subtle transition such as fade or slide, and set duration to feel smooth without delay. Link trigger events to hover, and, if needed, set a delay or easing curve. Preview interactions on different screen sizes to ensure the effect remains usable and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.